Your car throws a coolant temperature warning and suddenly you feel like the engine is boiling tea inside. Don't panic. Today we'll explain what this warning really means, why it shows up, and the exact steps you can take to fix it before the engine cooks itself. The coolant temperature warning means your engine is running hotter than it should. Normally, the coolant circulates like a mini river, pulling heat away from the engine. When something blocks that river, heat builds up. Too much heat means potential engine damage. You'll notice the warning light, but overheating comes with other clues too. If you see steam or hear boiling, pull over right away. Your engine is begging for help. When coolant drops, the system can't carry heat away. This is the #1 cause. If the fan fails, the car overheats, especially in traffic. Fix: check fan motor, relay, fuses. A stuck thermostat blocks coolant flow like a closed gate. Debris, corrosion, or old coolant can clog the radiator and choke the system. And last, no water pump means no coolant circulation. Engine heats up fast. Fix the coolant temperature. Warning, step by step. Stop the car, turn off the AC, turn on the heater to pull heat from the engine. Wait 10-20 minutes for it to cool. Step 2, check coolant level and condition. Start with a visual inspection. Check your coolant level in the overflow tank. It should sit between the MIN and max lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct coolant type. Check your owner's manual or use an online compatibility guide. Pro Mechanic. Tip: mixing different types of coolant can cause sludge buildup and corrosion. Always use the same type. Step 3. Inspect radiator and hoses. Next, check your radiator and hoses. Look for cracks, leaks, bulges, or white residue around hose clamps. That's dried coolant, a sign of a small leak. Step 4. Test the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can cause overheating or poor cabin heat. You can test it by watching your temperature gauge. It should rise steadily and stay near the middle once the engine is warm. If it spikes or takes forever to warm up, you may need a new thermostat. Pro tip: replace your thermostat every 60,000, 80,000 miles. It's cheap insurance for your engine. Step 5. Flush and replace coolant. Even the best coolant breaks down over time. Old fluid becomes acidic and can corrode your radiator and water pump. Do a coolant flush every 2 to 5 years, depending on your car and coolant type. Step by step. 1. Let the engine cool completely. 2. Place a drain pan under the radiator. 3. Open the drain plug and remove old coolant. 4. Close plug, refill with distilled water, run engine briefly, and drain again. 5. Refill with 50-50 coolant mix. The coolant temperature warning is your engine's SOS signal. Don't ignore it. A few simple checks can save your engine from burning itself alive. If you found this useful, tap like, subscribe, and comment what other car warnings you want explained.